Hello students. Today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify. This is a tool that you can use to record yourself or record yourself speaking. And this is something that you will want to know how to use when you are creating your poetry project, specifically the spoken word. So if you just Google in your search engine Screencastify, you will see that this pops up. I already have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, then you will need to install it. And you will add it to your Google Chrome. That's what the option is. So you will add it to your Google Chrome. Now, once you have already downloaded it to your Google Chrome, you will go up here to where it says extensions, the one that looks like a little puzzle piece. You will click on that and then select Screencastify, right? Because if you scroll down, you might see some other extensions you have for Google Chrome. But for this, you want to make sure that you click on Screencastify. And then it will ask you what you want: browser tab, desktop, webcam. The desktop's going to be the full desktop that you have, your full screen. You obviously have your webcam, and that will be able to record you saying your spoken word if that's what you choose. And then you have your browser tab, which is also an option. So for right now, we're just going to click webcam only, select record. And you will see that it pops up my screen, and this is where we want you to perform the spoken word. Once you are done with that and you say your spoken word, your poem that you've created, you're going to press stop. All right, once you are done with and you stopped your recording, the screen will take a few minutes, it will pop up and you will see something that looks like this. You can publish it to YouTube, you can get embed code, send it an email, so there's a possibility to copy the shareable link, which is a good start. You can send it in an email, which is also a good start. I don't have access there, but I copied that link. So let me go ahead and just open up a Google Doc and see if that link copied. So I'm going to press Control V, and there is my link to the file. Now, let me go back and put it in my search engine, see if that popped up. And here you can see the recording I just did of myself. And you will see that it pops up my screen, and this is where we want you to perform the spoken word. Okay, so, all right, so it is uploaded there. One thing you do need to make sure is that you have changed the sharing properties. So you will share this video, type in your teacher's name. So you can copy and paste the link into your submission on Canvas. But let's say I want to send this to Miss Maurer. I'm going to type in Miss Maurer's name so she has access, press send, and that way even when I send the link and submit that on Canvas, she has access to view it, because again, that's the most important thing, that we have access to. So again, I'm going to walk through this again. So Google Screencastify. It's going to come up here on the right, install, and it will add to your Google Chrome. When you're ready, you are going to pull up on your, right beside your search bar, the thing that looks, the icon looks like a puzzle piece. It's called extensions. You're going to click there. You will click Screencastify. When you click Screencastify, it will pop up this little pop-up screen, and then you can make the choice of what you want to do as far as webcam, if you want that to be on the screen performing that, or if you want to do a browser tab, which again will just pull up the browser you have pulled up. So if you do something creative with your poem and you want to just say it and then have your poem, whatever creative piece you have pulled up on your screen, or your desktop, which will be your whole screen. Again, you want to make sure that your microphone is on. When you're ready, you will press record. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Slides. And I like to use SlidesGo as a Google Slides template. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I want to make my poem look really jazzy. let's say that I am doing my poem on something to do with nature. So I'm going to type in nature and see what pops up for my Google Slides to make this a little bit fancier. Ooh, I really like this template, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Go to Google Slides, make a copy. All right, so I did my poem on some slides. And again, this is just a quick rough draft, so just to show you. So I have my poem here. Again, when I'm ready to record on Screencastify and I want to show this visual, I'm going to go up here to my extensions on Google Chrome that looks like the puzzle piece icon. Click Screencastify. I'm going to select browser tab, the one that I'm currently on. And you will see the timer. And then I will go ahead and start with my presentation, say what my poem is, perform the poem. So Nature by Sarah Strawn. Where will we be without the birds and the bees, without the green grass that puddles at our feet, without the raindrops that nurture our soul when we feel like there is no hope to grow? Then I'll stop right here where the stop button is, end recording. Give it a few seconds, then a new screen will pop up. And then you will see my poem here with my recording. Remember, you can get copy shareable link, and that's what you want to paste onto your Canvas. So once you copy that, remember you hold the control button down on your laptop, press V and control at the same time. Then you will see that link. Click on that link and it will pull it up in your drive. Once you have it pulled up in your drive, remember you want to share this with your teacher to make sure they have access. So go to More Actions at the top right hand corner, Share, and then type in your teacher's name. So I'm going to do Miss Todd, select Miss Todd, press Send, and that way once I put it on the Canvas page, Miss Todd has access to view it from my Google Drive. All right, y'all, that is all I have for this. Please make sure you reach out to your teachers if you have any questions.